High in a cloud, so soft and gray, lived Ruby Raindrop, ready to play. Down she tumbled, spinning free, pitter-patter, full of glee.
Whee!
Laughed Ruby.
Down I fall, splashing, bouncing, having a ball.
She landed in a puddle bright, where sunny sunbeam shared his light.
Hello there, Ruby,
Sunny cried.
Come dance with me, side by side.
So Ruby and Sunny twirled about, pitter-patter, sparkle out.
Look, Sunny, look!
Ruby cried.
Colors are dancing across the sky.
When raindrops giggle and sunbeams run, a rainbow appears for everyone.
Evening came with golden light. Ruby and Sunny smiled goodnight. Pitter-patter, sparkle bright. Two little friends said, "Sweet dreams, good night."